All right, just ran the main water service. There we go, coming through the wall from outside. Coming in hot. Got it up there with a foot. Got our split rings. 90 coming over. This is 1 inch. Another split ring. You definitely want that support so the pipe don't move. You get what I'm saying? Boom. Got that support on there. Pipe do not move. This what you want. Wow. Let's go over here. This good work. Ain't gonna find that nowhere. See this side.
I'm still gonna leave it around, quarter.
It's your main line coming through the wall, coming down,
You want me to just head to you?
coming down, coming over, ball valve, shut the water off to the house. Gotta have that bleeder to pass inspection. Come up, tie back into the galvanized. Boom. Done deal. Just bang that one out, y'all.